Morning.
Good morning po.
Okay. Pwede kang magpakilala sa atin?
I'm Mataguro Joey Laman.
Mhm. So ano ang tinuturo mong style ng arnis?
Kalaki system. The system of the late Maestro Lolo Syok Glaraga.
Pwede mo pang ibigyan na elaborate or bigyan ng idea yung audience natin kung ano itong estilo na to?
The system starts from starts from the abierta position, then to sarada position, then vice versa.
Okay.
The training is always starts from the doble baston, then next followed by espada idaga, single baston, daga idaga, single dagger, then empty hand.
Okay, sige, tingnan natin 'yun ha. Okay. Okay. Oy Guro, so ano yung first technique na ipakita nyo sa amin?
I want to show you the first technique. This is called Lastico Retirada. Lastico Retirada means repeat, then you block. You parry at the same time you counter. For example, palo. Parry this one, then I counter.
Okay. Sige. Yung susunod na technique, next technique?
After the Lastico Retirada, then we go to Cruzada. Strike here, downward strike. Cruzada.
Okay. Okay.
From Lastico Retirada, then we Cruzada. Cruzada.
Okay.
Then we go to number 2.
Number 3. Okay.
This is Lanzada.
Mm.
Lanzada. 1, 2.
Okay.
Lanzada.
Okay.
Then number 4 is Binayungan. Binayungan. Back. Then number 5 is Palis Abierta.
Mm.
Palis Abierta.
Okay. Sige. Okay, Guro, paano kayo saan at anong time yung training nyo? Kung sakaling merong interesadong magpa-training sa inyo.
At BGC, Bonifacio Global, Taguig City, track 30, every Sunday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Okay. Okay. Paano kayo makontak? Meron kayong cellphone or email na pwede nilang kontakin ka?
You can contact me through my Facebook, Mataguro Joey Laman.
Mm-hmm.
Then my cellphone number is 0956 967 0528.
Okay, sige, maraming salamat po. Pugay.
Pugay.
Pugay. Okay. Yan, Pugay din.